Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making both devices visible. This is why visibility matters. Devices must see each other. On your Android, open Settings, tap Bluetooth and switch it on. Make the car's head unit enter pairing or phone mode now. Once done, keep the phone close to the dash, about 1 to 2 meters, so the signal stays strong. Make sure other Bluetooth gadgets are off, otherwise your phone may try to connect to the wrong device, which interrupts the pairing process. Now you'll pair and grant permissions. This step connects audio and calls. Tap the car's name from Android's available device list. A PIN or passkey appears on both screens. Once you see matching numbers, accept or tap pair. This confirms trust between devices. After pairing, Android prompts for contacts and call audio access. Allow those to enable caller ID and hands-free dialing. If you want media audio too, make sure media audio is toggled on in the device's Bluetooth settings. Finish by verifying everything works. Testing prevents surprises while driving. Play a song to check media audio, then place a quick call to confirm the mic and call routing. Adjust volume on both phone and head unit as needed. Once satisfied, enable Auto Connect or set the phone as a priority device so future connections are automatic. If the system won't pair or audio is missing, forget the pairing on both devices, restart them, and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.